Welcome back to another episode of Immigration Insight, where we dive deep into the complexities of US immigration law. I'm your host, Kishore, and today we have the honor of speaking with a true expert in the field, Shah Peerally, founder of the Shah Peerally Law Group. Shah, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Kishore. I'm excited to be here and discuss an important topic today.
Absolutely. So today, we're talking about the TN visa, a crucial option for professionals from Canada and Mexico looking to work in the United States. Shah, can you start by giving our listeners a quick overview of what the TN visa is and who it's for?
Of course. The TN visa is part of the US-Mexico-Canada Agreement, USMCA, formerly NAFTA. It allows certain professionals from Canada and Mexico to work in the US in specific fields, like engineering, accounting, and scientific research. The visa is particularly attractive because it's relatively easy to apply for, and it doesn't require employer sponsorship the same way other visas do. However, there are still eligibility criteria and important documentation that need to be prepared carefully.
That sounds like a fantastic opportunity. What sets the TN visa apart from other work visas, like the H-1B?
The biggest difference is the process and time frame. Unlike the H-1B, which has strict caps and a lottery system, the TN visa has no annual limits, and applicants can apply directly at the border if they're Canadian. Mexicans, however, need to go through a US consulate, but overall, the process is much faster and less complicated. Plus, TN visa holders can renew their status indefinitely, whereas the H-1B is more limited in terms of duration.
That's great insight, Shah. Now, even though it seems more accessible, I'm sure there are still complexities involved. How does your team at the Shah Peerally Law Group help Canadian and Mexican professionals navigate the TN visa process?
Absolutely, Kishore. While the TN visa is more straightforward, there are still a lot of nuances that applicants may not be aware of. At Shah Peerally Law Group, we provide tailored support from start to finish. Whether it's preparing the right documentation, verifying eligibility for specific professions listed under the USMCA, or ensuring compliance with US immigration laws, we guide clients through each step to maximize their chances of approval. We also offer consultations for employers who need help bringing foreign talent to the US.
That's fantastic. I imagine that peace of mind is invaluable for anyone going through this process. For our listeners out there, what advice would you give to those considering applying for a TN visa?
I'd say the most important thing is to make sure you understand the requirements fully. Each profession has its own criteria for education and experience. It's also crucial to have a well-prepared offer letter from a US employer that outlines the job duties clearly. And of course, consulting with an experienced immigration attorney can prevent a lot of headaches down the road. Even minor errors can result in delays or denials, which is why it's best to get expert help from the beginning.
Sound advice, Shah. So if someone is ready to take the next step, how can they reach out to your firm for assistance?
They can visit our website at www.peerallylaw.com for more information or to schedule a consultation. We also offer a number at 510-742-5887 where they can reach our team directly. Whether they're a professional looking to apply for a TN visa or a business seeking to hire international talent, we're here to help.
Thanks for that, Shah. It's been great having you on the show today. The TN visa really is a great option for qualified professionals, and it's good to know that they have experts like you to guide them.
Thank you, Kishore. It's been a pleasure, and I hope this information helps those who are considering working in the US under the TN visa.
Absolutely. And for all our listeners, if you have any more questions or need help with your immigration case, don't hesitate to reach out to the Shah Peerally Law Group. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time on Immigration Insight.